stains, and it's come in clear water. You can see that.
Yes.
Thank you. I hope you like our presentation and explanation.
My name is Pruthrajan Maji.
My name is Shubham Sahu. Today our project is about nervous system. Let's get started.
There are two types of nerves: central nerve, peripheral nerve.
In central nerves there is brain and spinal cord. But in peripheral nerves, brain and spinal cord are not. There is also a action called reflex action. That involves brain. It forms by the brain and the spinal cord. For example, when we touch a hot ball, it stimuli and our skin with receptors. When we touch a hot ball, our sensory nerve sends message to our spinal cord, and our motor nerve sends message to our muscles and we feel our hand. These are so fast so we can. You have already known about nerves, but did you know how nerves are formed and what are the types? I will explain it. The nerves are formed by the nucleus. The nucleus have four parts in it. Nucleus. The nucleus collects the message and answers it. The cell body. The cell body collects all the messages from the dendrites and answers the message by the action. Dendrites. It collects all the messages from other neural action. It provides the message to other neurons. There are three types of neurons. Sensory neuron, it collects the messages. Motor neuron, it sends the messages. And interneuron, for example, spinal cord, it collects and also sends the messages. Thank you. Have a nice day.
And you say something about the project. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to everyone listening. So, kidney is a vital organ in the excretory system of our body, which is responsible for the blood distribution and the water purification and the things we eat and take in our lunch, breakfast, and everything. So, the kidney, both of the kidney have millions of tiny filtering molecules called glomerulus. The glomerulus are the molecules which filters out the water, food, and everything we take into our body. So filtration of blood. When we drink water, and so it first goes to the blood and it mixes it inside the network that connects the blood and the RH level of our body, and when they form a network is called as glomerulus. Glomerulus take out the extraordinary part of the things that we eat and give to our body the things that is important for us. So we are thinking that always we are saying that our skin is good, is our skin is good, is our hand is good, is our leg is good, is our face is good. Am I looking good? Are you looking good? We are always asking that. I need makeup. That's why always not only always take your inside before taking outside, because the inner thing of your is more important than the outer thing, because your face is every time. The face can be changed, but your inside thing can be changed. If your liver will be gone, your kidney will be gone, the man will not live long. Now I will give the opportunity to my team member Pratisha Jain.
I am Pratisha Jain. There are two kidneys. Both are important and using to drink water.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Nisojit. I am tell something about regulating water soluble vitamin. Kidney filter excess water.
Where is it? Show me kidney. Kidney, show me in your project.
This is the kidney, and when we drink water, it will go through the food pipe and it will go through the kidney. Then it will come the things that are important for our body will go to our body, and the thing that is not important for our body will come out to the urine or the sweat. Like we are drinking water, so water have oxygen and so many things. Water only seems like nothing, but it has everything. So it is also done something that is not important for our body, and it can also harm our body. So kidney function is helping us for that only. It can prevent our body for the things that is not important for our body. Like I'm injecting here. I'm injecting like water in here, and the things that is important for our body will go to the body, and things that is not important for our body come by the urinary system or the sweat. Now our team member Durga Prasad will say something.
Good morning everyone, my name is Durga Prasad. Today I will say about my project supporting the immune function. Kidney filter out some waste products and toxin that otherwise suppress immune function and supporting indirectly support to the immune system. I will say about my team member opportunity to the
Okay, will say. Take
Her name is, first is Adya Suresh, second is Adya Samola, third is Aman Oza, fourth is Nikhil Batra, fifth is Adya on the topic of road safety, so first of all, we have to know about what is road safety and traffic and why is it important. Road safety refers to the methods to prevent from guilt and injury. Then what is traffic? In roadways, anything that comes as an obstacle aware the people about something that is known as traffic. As we know, road accidents is increasing day by day. The recent reported that 4,61,302 accidents occurred by 2013, and resulting in 1,68,441 deaths and 4,366,366. So, road safety is necessary to all of us and necessary precautions to be taken. That are obey traffic rules and obey traffic rules. All the necessary safety measures to check before flying the vehicle, such as horn, brakes, indicators, etc. Do not overload the vehicle. Do not drink alcohol while driving. Do not use earphones while driving. If you want to overtake a vehicle, then it should be planned from a safe distance, maximum 6 meters. Then if you don't have any driving license, so you don't have to drive. Then always take safe driving place, safe parking area to park your vehicle. Then lastly, don't exceed the speed of the vehicle in a populated area. Then, so my dear friends, So what are the strategies that will improve our roads and the education and awareness? Enforcement of traffic laws, technological advancement, infrastructure improvement. Yes, and there is also traffic lights and traffic fires. Can you tell more about it? Yes, sure. There are three main traffic lights: red, yellow, and green. Red means stop, yellow means wait, green means go. And there are also different traffic signs. That are, this sign indicates a stop, this sign indicates a stop, and this sign indicates a slow entry. So, conclusion, road safety is a complex issue with far-reaching consequences. By understanding the factors that contribute to road accidents,
Promoting.
promoting the responsible driving behaviors and responsible driving behaviors, and we can significantly reduce the number of road accidents in the world. So let's work together. Let's work together to go about roadways and save the roads for everyone. Thank you and have a nice day. And lastly, we want to say positive note on roadways. Safer road, brighter future.
ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ମାନେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ୍ ହୋଇକରି ସବୁ କରିବାଟା ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା। ପିଲାମାନେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କର କହିବା ଶୈଳୀ ମାନେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଟୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ପୁରା ଟକିଂ, ସେଇଟା ବି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା। ତ ମୋତେ ଆସିକି ଖୁସି ଲାଗିଲା।
Normal water. We measure that with a digital thermometer. Now let's learn about thermometer.
A device can measure the temperature is called a thermometer.
There are types of thermometer. There are two types of thermometer: clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is also known as medical thermometer. It is used to measure human body temperature, and laboratory thermometer are designed to measure the temperature of objects around us, not temperature. Now let's learn the advantages of thermometer.
My name is Subhashri Ramadas. I read in class 6. I am going to say about advantage of thermometer. They are used to measuring the body temperature. They are safe and easy to use and provide a clear and visual reading, making them a popular choice for monitoring temperature at home. It gives results quickly as a first response time. Thank you.
Molecules got charge, the molecule vibrates, energy. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak something about our town. Thank you.
Morning everyone, myself Patil and I read in class 6 section 8, and this is my group 4. She is Pratyasha Biswal and she is Sai Satyakrishnan and he is Priyanshu Jain. So today my group is presenting a project on windmill. So you may be wondering, what is a windmill? A windmill is a machine that uses wind power to generate electricity. But not only electricity, it is also used to run floor mills or to pull up water from well. Here I have shown a windmill pulling up water from a well. Now my friend Sai Satyakrishnan will tell something on windmill.
So how does windmill work? The wind rotates the wings of windmill and pulls up water, as shown here.
Morning ma'am, my name is Asma. I read in class 6 section. Today I am very
excited to deposit my project of future. So first I will introduce my friends. Hello, my name is Arhan Singh.
Hi, my name is Shakti.
Hello, my name is Oisu Soren.
Hi, my name is Stephen. So let's start our project. So question. What do you mean by motion? If an object is changing its reference point with time, then the motion then it is said to be at motion. If an object is not changing its position with time to a reference point, then the object is said to be in direction. Motion are three types: linear motion, oscillating motion, and circular motion. Motion can occur in both living object and in non-living object. An example of living object is a flying pigeon, and the example of non-living object is like this fan. In simple terms, motion is the changing of position with time, and we can define this motion as displacement, distance, or velocity. So first linear motion. What do you mean by linear motion?
When an object moves in a straight position, its motion is known as linear motion.
So, for example, a car on a straight road.
Like this car, it's moving on this.
बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, हम यहाँ घूम के देख रहे हैं, बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छा लगा है आकर। है तो बहुत भल लगे एमती किसी आक्टिविटीज कले सब वर्ष भी कले बहुत भल लगे पिलाମାନଙ୍କର କିଛି ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ आमको भी भल लगे छोट छोट पिला माने एते सुंदर करूछंती भल लगे ऑल स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट बहुत ऑल स्टूडेंट समस्त पार्टिसिपेट करछन सहीटा सब भल लगे ता द्वारा पिला माने କିଛି नूआ नूआ जिनिस भी शिखि पाछन जोटा आमे किसी पिला को घरे कहि पारुने शिखि पाते तो पिला माने जे बहुत जिनिस शिखि बहुत भल लगे थैंक यू मैम द्वारा शिक्षा भल वे लगे छुआ मैंने बहुत भल कर आसिक आमको बहुत खुशी लगुच मैम आम शिक्षा लगे पे आगे बहुत खुशी लगे इंटरेस्ट देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा बच्चे अच्छे भी कर रहे थे और अच्छे से बोल भी रहे थे ये प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा जैसे बच्चे स्टडीज़ के साथ साथ ये एक्टिविटी भी कर रहे हैं और ये जो भी चीज़ें ये एग्जीबिशन जो भी हो रहा है ये फन वे में लर्निंग है तो सबसे बहुत अच्छा है अभी के बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है हैप्पी चिल्ड्रेंस डे जो साइंस प्रोजेक्ट रही बहुत मॉडलिंग में बहुत भल लगे निजे निजे इंग्लिश हिंदी सब माने एक्सपर्ट बढ़िया कर भल से बुझे भी पार्टी थैंक यू बहुत खुशी लगुच अच्छा लगा बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत किया है और मैम एकदम दिखाया है कि व्हाट दे वांट टू डू एंड व्हाट टू से दिस इज वेरी नाइस
छोट छोट पिला मैंने भल सब कर जी नॉलेज था भितर भी से बेटर मैंने कर
मैम बहुत बढ़िया कर बयस ठीक है पूरा भल परिश्रम कर
सुंदर सुंदर प्रोजेक्ट तैयारी कर बहुत खुशी भी लगे देखिए बहुत खुशी लगे
भल लगे जहाँ बहुत खुशी
थैंक यू सर
Myself, a parent of class 4, Divya Prakash, and all the students here participated are good and explained properly, and their hard work is being shown here, and they are getting more knowledge, and they are spreading the knowledge to the juniors so that they can learn more from their seniors. Thank you.